Hi YouTube family, I am Elle and welcome to my channel, Renew with Elle. Renew with Elle is a channel all about self-care. Can I be honest? You're not doing a good job of practicing self-care. Renew with Elle, the purpose of Renew with Elle is to let us know that self-care is something that is attainable. It's not something that we have to always lay down whenever we get busy. It is something that we can do. It is something that we should do. It's really something that we have to do. What to expect from this channel? So what can we expect? We can expect humor. We're going to expect some laughter, some personal stories, some education. But I think most importantly is we can expect a community. We need to know that self-care is something that we don't have to do alone. It does not have to be a solo mission. This is going to be a safe space where we can talk about our struggles, our fears, or anything that is hindering us from really taking care of ourselves. So this is something that we can implement, we can do, and through the trials of life, this is something that we can have already in our routines. This is an essential part of our routines, and we have to stop neglecting it. So who are you, lady? Well, I am Elle. Elle is you. I am a mother. I am a Christian. I am a business owner. I am a therapist. I am a breast cancer survivor. I am a woman who struggles with self-care, who has struggled with self-care, because it is an ongoing uphill battle. But I'm here to teach. I'm here to listen. I want us to talk to one another. Also, what you can expect is for me to ask you what you want, because this is not my channel. This is our channel. This is our community. So if this is something that interests you, you feel like you've been alone and trying to figure this self-care thing out, and you want to have a space where you can talk, where you can vent, where you can laugh, you can hear personal stories and share some personal stories, where you can share tips. If this community is something that's interesting to you, I want you to hit like and hit subscribe, leave a comment. Tell me what you want to see. Tell me what you want to learn. We're in this thing together. Self-care is something that we don't have to do alone anymore. Let's be here to help one another. Until next time, take care. Hope to hear from you soon.